Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Airtel Xtreme set-top box. Set-top box have 4K features, Google Assistance and Android support. This Android based set-top box have Google Play Store in which we have download any app like Airtel Xtreme app, YouTube, ZEE5, Amazon Prime, Netflix, etc. Let's turn around and see what they had written for us. They had detail about the features of this set-top box. The first feature is built-in Chromecast, so we can cast our favorite movie from any of our gadget like laptop and smartphone. Coming to the next feature, in this Android box we can download 50,000 app plus. Next we can enjoy our entertainment in 4K, that is horizontal resolution of 4000 pixel. We can enjoy stunning colors and realistic images. We can use our voice to search with this fully enabled Xtreme voice remote. We can also develop our smartphone as a remote and a gamepad with the smart remote app feature. Last one is about Dolby Audio. We can get superior surround sound and we can also connect with soundbar and AV receiver. Now shall we proceed further to unboxing this Airtel Xtreme set-top box. This is the Android set-top box. Have voice remote with AAA battery. There is a declaration leaflet and we have a power adapter, high quality HDMI cable. Okay, let's see about the front view of the Android set-top box. There is a button in the center to switch on and switch off. If we see underneath, we can find the product serial number. There is a 3 indicator light. One is for power, another is for recording, and last one is for Wi-Fi. This Android box is made in Vietnam. Let's move on to the back side where we can see about the connection ports. There is an antenna port, audio video port. We can use this audio video port for non-Android TV also. This is optical port. This is HDMI port. You can find some info about Dolby Audio. This is USB port. We can use this to record movies and TV shows. This is Ethernet port where we can connect modem directly. This is power port. We can find the SD card port in the side of set-top box. The inbuilt internal storage is 8 GB. There is a USB port with which we can connect the mouse to select the program in Smart TV. This is the fully enabled Xtreme voice remote and we can use this to search programs. The remote have Netflix, Amazon and YouTube button to directly access those apps. This is all about the package of Airtel Xtreme set-top box. Now we shall move on how to make the connection. First we shall plug in the dish antenna cable into the antenna port, and now we have to plug the power adapter in the power port. Next, TV HDMI cable is connected in the HDMI port. We are connecting the Ethernet cable from the modem in this Ethernet port. Now we have connected all the cables in the appropriate ports. Just switch on the device. You can see the power indicator light and Wi-Fi indicator light. Now the set-top box is initializing. The Android system is booting now. You can see the menu right at the top of the TV. The menu are home, TV channels, movies, shows, apps and games. In home screen, we can see the icon of channel. Once you have selected the channel, it will be played. While selecting movie from menu, different movie icons are displayed. In the show menu also, we can see lot of movies and TV shows. In the apps and game, we have Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Hotstar, like apps by defaults. We can install the app by our own. I have installed Airtel Extreme app. In the Airtel Extreme app also we can see a lot of movies and TV shows. Now I am opening Netflix. This online platform provides us lot of movies with the ultra 4K resolution. I am playing some sample video. And now I am going to play some clippings from Amazon Prime. We can enjoy HD and 5.1 movie in this platform. From Google Play Store, I install a game already. To play any games, we need to install Air Console app in your smartphone. Once you have entered the game, a number will be displayed in the screen, which we have to enter in our smartphone to pair the device. That's all about the Airtel Extreme set-top box. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I believe those information will be very useful for you. Please comment your doubt if you have any. And that's all about today's video. See you soon in my next video with still more useful content. Thank you. Bye.